Hi guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and today I'm gonna show you how to dress, okay, compression dress when it's all, if you need to put one on for whatever reason and you're not bleeding out, okay, but I want to show you how to make one. Is you make sure that you have a couple of 2x2s and a couple of 4x4s and have your tape ready. Just pull your tape about that length. Have about 5 to 6 strands of the tape ready. What I do is I just take off the alcohol wipes, anything that I might have had, some blood remaining. I just kind of wipe down the sides. Again, don't wipe your entry holes into your fistula because it may pull off the scab and then you're going to start a bleed. So just kind of wipe around it, get it clean. And in the meantime, take a 4x4. I like using the bigger ones because I can put more compression on it. So you just take it apart and you fold it. So you fold it in half and then fold it in a fourth. And if you can, fold it again. So it should look very much like that. It should be about that thick. Okay, and take your tape and you put it on the back side of where it's starting to flip out on the sides. Push that tape right in the middle so that it kind of looks like that. And then push it down on your arm in the middle. And then push the tape down just like this, right on top of it. Okay? And then do it again. Take another 4x4. If you only have 2x2s, that's good too, because that will work. So fold it in half, and then to a fourth, and then into a roll. Again, looking like that. You see the side where it kind of flips up because I rolled it? That's the side that you want to put the tape in to begin with so it doesn't flip out on you. Put that tape right in the middle. Hold it with your thumb, or have your caregiver hold it with his or her thumb. Put it across the second hole of your fistula, and then take their hand and push it around. So you're basically doing around your forearm and around your fistula. What I like to do is I like to put some extra tape on it for insurance for me in case a bleed comes out of nowhere. And that's how you do that. Can happen. You can have a bleed that may happen for absolutely no reason, or if you're sweating or exposed to any type of steam or heat, or you just rip your jacket off and you take off your bandages too quickly and it comes off. So that's kind of how it looks. If it's just you and you're one-handed, you kind of have to push around it, push around your forearm. So that's the end result. That's what it should look like using 2 4x4s or 2 2x2s. A little bit of alcohol, only if it's dry. Okay? And then you guys decide whether you need the Coban. The Coban is really to keep the pressure on it. But if you wanted to and you're not sure about it, again, wrap it around your thumb. Not too tight around your fistula because you don't want to cut off the circulation. This is your lifeline. That fistula is your lifeline. If not, you have to go back and get it fixed if it's been applied too hard, or if you leave it on too long. Now, how long do I leave it on? That's up to you. You should know after at least an hour, maybe less. Check with your doctor and your nurses about how long you should leave that on when you redress. And then when it gets when your fistula is completely stopped, what I do is, just for more insurance, I take the pressure bandage off. Take it off slowly because you still might have a few scabs starting to grow, and you want the scabs because that'll stop That's your body's way of protecting itself. And just take them off slowly, okay? Just like that. Grab a couple of band-aids. Always have some band-aids in your emergency kit. Okay, this is how I just kind of easy. I think everybody knows how to take a band-aid out. But if not, just take it off like this. And what I do is leave this side on here to hold it. And I will bend it back just a little bit. I'm holding it. Put it over top of your recently used fistula hole. And then pull the tape down on the side. And again, this is a good trick, just to use it with your first finger and your thumb, your index finger and your thumb. And then grab another one. How long you leave this on, ask your nurse or your doctor, or just kind of pay attention to how long it takes you to clot. Put it on the other one, slip it over the sides, push it down, and again, I kind of use this technique to go over the top. And then there you go. Now, how long do you leave this on? Again, I don't mean to repeat myself, but I want to make sure that you guys understand. This works for me. It may not work for you, but this is how I dress open wounds. And these are quite large open wounds for 14, 15, and 16 gauge needles, which I'll show you later in another video. So, again, thanks for visiting. I hope this has helped both the kidney patient like myself and the caregivers, so that they know how to put on a pressure bandage and when to put on the other bandages. Thanks, you guys, for visiting my channel, and have a great and wonderful day. All right, see you soon.